Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about an important topic, that is insurance pricing and its methods. What is an insurance price? A rate is the price per unit of insurance. An exposure unit is a unit of measurement used in insurance pricing. It varies by the line of insurance. Pure premium refers to that portion of the rate needed to pay losses or loss adjustment expenses. Loading refers to the amount that must be added to the pure premium for other expenses, profit, and a margin for contingency. Gross rate consists of pure premium and a loading element. Finally, the gross premium paid by the insured consists of the gross rate multiplied by the number of exposure units. Objectives of insurance pricing are regulatory objectives are the rate should be adequate, it should be not excessive, and it should and not fairly undiscriminatory as well. Business objectives of the insurance pricing are that the rate should be simple, stable, responsive, as well as there should be an encouragement of loss control. Types of rating method: there are basically three methods, that is judgmental rating, class rating, merit rating. Merit rating is further of three types, that is schedule rating, experience rating, and retrospective rating. First of all, we will discuss judgmental rating. Judgmental rating means that each exposure is individually evaluated. The rate is determined largely by the underwriter's judgment. This method is used when the loss exposures are so diverse that the class rate cannot be calculated, or when the credible loss statistics are not available, like in case of ocean marine insurance. Class rating method or manual rating method. Class rating means that exposures with similar characteristics are placed in the same underwriting class and each is charged with the same rate. The rate charged reflects the average loss experience for the class as a whole. Average rating is based on the assumption that the future losses of the insured will be determined largely by the same set of factors. Advantages of the class rating method are: it is simple to apply, premium quotations can be quickly obtained, and ideal for the personal lines market. Class rating method is widely used in case of homeowner insurance, private passenger auto insurance, workman compensation, and in case of life and health insurance. Methods of class rating are pure premium method and loss ratio method. Pure premium method is determined by dividing the amount of the loss incurred and the loss adjustment expenses by the number of exposure units. So first of all, we will calculate the pure premium, that is incurred losses and loss adjustment expenses divided by number of exposure units. Then final step, we will compute the gross rate, that is equal to pure premium divided by 1 minus expense ratio. So assume that in an auto collision insurance, 5 lakh automobiles in a given underwriting class generate incurred losses and loss adjustment expenses of 30 million over a one period. Expense ratio is expected to be 40%. So we will first calculate pure premium, that is incurred losses and loss adjustment expenses are 30 million and number of exposure units are 5 lakh. So our pure premium is rupees 60. We will compute the gross rate, pure premium divided by 1 minus expense ratio. So 60 divided by 1 minus 40%. So 40 divided by 100 will be 0.40. So 60 divided by 1 minus 0.40 is equal to 100. So gross rate is rupees 100. Loss ratio method. Under the loss ratio method, the actual loss ratio compared with the expected loss ratio and the rate is adjusted accordingly. The actual loss ratio is the ratio of incurred losses and loss adjustment expenses to the earned premium. So the expected loss ratio is the percentage of premium that is expected to be used to pay losses. So rate change is equal to A, that is actual loss ratio, minus E, that is expected loss ratio, divided by E, that is expected loss ratio. So illustration is: a line of insurance has incurred losses and loss adjustment expenses in the amount of rupees 8 lakh and the earned premium are rupees 1 million. The actual loss ratio is 80% and the expected loss ratio is 70%. We have to compute the rate. So A is the actual loss ratio, that is 80%. So 80 divided by 100 is 0.8 minus expected loss ratio is 70%. So 70 divided by 100 is 0.7 divided by expected loss ratio is 0.7. So we will arrive at 0.17143. So that will be multiplied by 100 to compute in percentage. So it will be 14.13. So next we will discuss merit rating method. Merit rating is a rating plan by which the class rate are adjusted upward and downward based on the individual loss experience. Merit rating is based on the assumption that the loss experience of a particular insured will differ substantially from the loss experience of other insured. Thus, the class rates are modified upward and downward depending upon the individual loss experience. There are three types of merit rating methods, that is schedule rating, experience rating, and retrospective rating. First of all, we will discuss schedule rating. Under a schedule rating plan, each exposure is individually rated. A basic rate is determined for each exposure, which is then modified by the debits and the credits for undesirable or desirable physical features. Merit rating method. Under the merit rating method, now we will discuss experience rating. Under experience rating, the class or the manual rating is adjusted upward or downward based on the past loss experience. In short, past loss experience is based to determine the premium for the next policy period. Next is the retrospective rating. Under the retrospective rating plan, the insured loss experience under the current policy period determines the actual premium paid for that period. Under this rating plan, a provisional premium is paid at the beginning of the policy period. At the end of the period, a final premium is calculated based on the actual losses that occur during the policy period. I hope you have got it. Thank you.